Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And today I have a very exciting product to try out because I'm trying out the Tarte Maracuja. I always feel like I'm pronouncing that wrong. This Juicy Lip Plump. And so my sister-in-law actually got me these for Christmas. She got me this big set of Tarte lip products, which is such a dream come true gift for me. And I am so excited to try out the Plump version of the Maracuja Juicy Lip products. I am a big fan of the Maracuja Juicy Lips from Tarte, but I love plumping lip glosses. If you're familiar with me and my channel, I get so excited to try out plumping lip products, and I'm always trying to try out the most intense ones. And so I'm very excited to try this out. And I got it in 3 different shades. So I'll do some swatches and then put it on my dry lips. This is supposed to be very hydrating. It has so many different beneficial, nourishing ingredients in it. So I'm hoping it's going to make my lips look really good. And I love when my plumping lip glosses also have shades, like color to them. And this comes in a bunch of pretty shades. So let's go ahead and swatch these ones. First, I'm starting out with Mixed Berries. In the packaging, it's a little deceiving because it's like very visible, like a lip balm kind of top here, but you can't twist it up. You click it up. Which, when I heard that it was the type of product that you would click, I didn't expect it to be just a regular open top here. How many times am I going to have to click it up for it to get moving? Okay, there we go. Let's swatch this. Ooh. It is going on a bit more like a lip balm than I was expecting. I was expecting like a plumping lip gloss, but this is kind of fun and different. Next, we've got the shade Poppy. Ooh, this one looks really pretty and pink. And in these swatches, they're not looking like full opaque pigment, but once they're on the lips, I think they're gonna look like opaque color. That's a really pretty pink. Less bright, at least in the swatch, than it looks in the packaging here, but really pretty. So yeah. I don't think I'm getting a scent to these. And then the third color I got here is called Forget Me Not. I have never used a lip balm that you have to click up like this. It's okay. I don't know that it's my favorite way to apply a lip product, but it's a little fun and different. But okay, in this swatch here, oh, such beautiful, wearable, neutral type of shades, but they all have very pretty shine to it. Oh, I'm so excited to put these on my lips. And here is a better view of those swatches. And now I've got all 3 in front of me. I'm just going to pick up one at random. I picked up Forget Me Not. Okay. Let's see how this is on my dry, chapped lips right now. Wow. Okay. It seriously is going on. Ooh, got a little out of the lip line there, but it's going on like a shiny lip balm. A very interesting, unique texture that looks so pretty. So I'm just going to go over one more time. At least with this shade, maybe it's very similar to my natural lip color. I feel like it's just looking a little bit like a lip tint, but it does say you can layer it up to get more color. But it's kind of this thick formula that I don't really want to layer up a ton, because then I feel like it's going to be like a little stringy in between my lips, if you know how that is. Just like not the type of texture that I want to layer a ton on my lips. But wow, really beautiful shine. And I'm starting to get a slight cooling feeling, which is nice for that kind of plumping effect, but I can still feel a little bit of the dry, chapped texture on my lips. So we'll see if I can rub my lips together and if that will go away. Like with the shine, the color, my lips look moisturized and not chapped anymore, but I can still like feel that chapped texture a little bit. So it is more of the type of product that coats over the lips rather than like deeply moisturizing. So I don't see too much of that plump effect, but the lines in my lips are not as prevalent, and the lips do just look really good. The color to give a little bit of life back into the lips, and an even color as well, that shine, the nice cooling feeling. And it is very easy to apply with this packaging. I went a little bit out of the line of my lips, but not one that I feel like I need a lip liner with. So even though it's the type that's going to come off with transfer, you're going to have to touch it up. It is a very quick, easy product to touch up throughout the day. And now that I've been giving it some more time to get rid of the chapped areas on my lips, I can still feel that dry texture a little bit. So maybe this would be a good product to exfoliate your lips before applying. But I'm loving the look of this, loving the feel of it. I just am really impressed by this being a unique packaging, unique formula. It seriously looks like I applied a lip gloss, but I feel like I pretty much just applied a lip balm. So really fun when I can find unique lip products. So if you've tried these Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. I really like it, but I wouldn't say that it's super plumping. To me, it's just like a shiny lip balm with like a medium tint of color. So not like a light tint, but not full opaque color either, but very beautiful, very wearable. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.